Hello guys, back with a new video, and today is 15th February 2023, and let's start. So today we took four trades, one in Bank Nifty and three in Nifty. Let's start with Bank Nifty. So this is a trade which I took now on 11:13 right now. So you can see there was a major resistance level over here at 41,643, and market was consolidating here from a very long time, and as soon as I saw a good breakout over here, I placed a trade and achieved around about of 58 points. I closed my position over here because we had another strong resistance zone over here, which you can see, this one, this line, red line. You see it at a longer time frame, you can see over here there is a lot of resistance over here, a lot of rejections, which is why I closed my position over here and achieved 50 points. Second trade I took, this one is in Nifty in morning. So you can see there's a major support level over here at 17,876. So basically, after market started at 9:15, it came down and it took a rejection over here, and it eventually started moving up. And as soon as I had a breakout over here, I confirmed the breakout over here and placed a trade and achieved almost 50 points here. And then second trade, as you can see here, we had a resistance at this point over here at 17,913. So I knew as soon as market took a rejection over here and came, you can see here we have a rejection zone resistance. So as soon as market took a rejection over here, it came down, and as soon as it touched the support level and took a support, I confirmed with this candle and took a trade, and I achieved 17 points here. And then you can see market again took resistance from the same level and then came down and then went, took resistance at the same level, came down, and now as soon as this level broke, which is the major resistance where we had one, two rejections over here and many more over here, as you can see, as soon as this rejection level broke, I placed a trade over here, which is at 11,1111. So as soon as I confirmed over this candle, when the breakout happened, we made a trade, and again I made 17 points over here. And today it was a good day. All of the banks were at good support. Reliance was moving, skyrocketing, and HDFC Bank is consolidating. So Kotak is also moving higher and higher. So it was a pretty good day. Thank you guys. Thank you.